mo ko bobi e ba takinchi dwumade so IMS and na so na share dwumade so any video we no me dem be call website be boa ma watimi around so ways watimi RFA manfo abo ma watimi nyeska bebre me ye video bi say back for how we first one nyeska or online website ya me bo so na o hwe website me de ba bia before say me call website wakako ye video no kan me di kan ko ye reviews me ko be reviews e show say website ni ligi ni pa no na register wo e make iska wo we a na masan dem call website na ma kire mo website na ni su kakra nti video no bia no me ya me kire bibi e kire say we dey we meet me any iska wo website wo but still we ye krana bit my reset about website na me dey brown no say dey bit me aboa ma yi na etimi akoye nem nti say wo ho a tifia onye hwe no na wo ba na be hwe videos e dem krana be boa ama wetimi dey any iska rather than say what work na onye hwe no nti me gidi pass video dey video be boa ma why dey wetimi akọ ni nti na video ma me fam ko website be boa ma run so means o be refer man fam mo aba ho na wetimi any ska online abra we invest ska bi ai dey e wo say the website do na ai dey eye no website na be boa ma watimi any scan website ni din de swagbucks.com nti ye ko swagbucks a before say be ko swagbucks ma ma show kwan a obetimi afa so any scan on ma me ma o me show swagbucks na ni reviews a ba ye said amount for any scan nti wo she google a obetimi abo she google swagbucks reviews oba how say swagbucks is absolutely legitimate nti o say it has paid out over 650 million US dollars to members. Nti say swagbucks said legit. Still our person more reviews. So we betimi akọ swagbucks reviews Trustpilot. And say Trustpilot for the man obi kwan man leave reviews at all no. And this nipa submitting the ID card into Trustpilot one. So pay reviews we betimi rely on Trustpilot nti ye call swagbucks nti on say swagbucks ni wo excellent reviews nti say swagbucks and a whole genuine nti no there is no need to be some say are you sure this website is real so person who say website be real o but Trustpilot no be checking the reviews e wo na be sure say website ni real and as website ni dey enye real alternative ni swagbucks.com to ko swagbucks.com or say no be can I register account no register account na wabo email address or password na person register wo ho no we are no be login or swagbucks wo login in na o mema confirm email no swagbucks no email no nti o confirm we ya o beba ha no o mema wo 7 swagbucks won say wo 7 SB any say 7 swagbucks na unya makomako 100 swagbucks $1 ntunya makomako 1000 $10 nti who so we do an echo say n 500 SB say n 500 swagbucks and say n $5 what is 100 swagbucks bi $1 sanity nti oba no be register we are obetimi refer friend or refer down from the bar share links and down from the register unya swagbucks we betimi convert to PayPal gift betimi redone as a PayPal very simple to me from work it through na mention monday websites I will run service na dey ba ko wo me say we choose ade a wo se scan was the more na scan was the more na tax in the air dem ma sa na tie enti be wo se service ni go bebre wo bia ni instructions e go ho nti e be kire kwan ya betimi afa so an ne SB no we are betimi converted abadala so base na e go bebre no wo na be choose so we are be go for nti ye bo hase ya ye bo top wa e betimi abo rewards rewards higher rewards home okay nti aba rewards home and we betimi ato e bia Amazon gift card no wo 500 swag bag wa run so we no nya 500 SB swag bag we betimi dia to wa hase nti emfa na say bia sisi e pese ye convert the ba PayPal na ye timi withdraw nti uba searcher ube search PayPal PayPal no abo search ne so o search wo PayPal la unza aba wa hase nti emfa na sisi ya no 1000 SB abema $10 of PayPal nti emfa na sisi ya me wo 1000 SB 1000 swagbucks me bo we ni so no one say no one no see claim your gift once some beti am committed the amount now about PayPal address no more trace scanning the between very simple say be a person refer amount for amount mo swagbucks 1 2 3 na wa ha no obo dot no so I know about more obo mo refer and earn and then was say I know about refer and earn so obo refer and earn na obo say maybe tab na ma say wo referral link na wa ha no and then down ha no wa copy o copy a to share mo bi a o be refer a obenya me ma swagbucks nti edu pempen so na wa convert the about paper no wa withdraw we meeting the Amazon cards we meeting the top no wa bebre wo ho so wo ba survey na be run survey bia o read instructions na wo ho no na wo how we meet me fast one any survey no o here website here e wo positive reviews e check the website here dey e scam nti se wo be nya ntobase atena se a go by how our website and fast work here we meeting there any scam bebre e wo ho we gidi pass video be boa ma ade bi a wo ye wo internet ni so bi babo am wide wako nim follow tech in tree or Facebook YouTube here subscribe channel the videos be brow ye the videos a ehu here wo Ghana ha bia wo ya ade bi a unim ade na wo ye no